Now turn the wheel back. Roll forward. Good. I like how patient. Straighten up wheels. You got to pull up straight to back in straight. You got to be past this cone. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. And stop. All right. Put this in reverse, big dog. Slow. Back slow. All the way till it locks. All the way. Yes. Turn back all the way to the left. You got to back in and turn. Turn all the way to the left. You got to turn it all the way to the left. I know. You're okay. Come on. Come on. Come on. Not bad. Back in a little bit more and stop. Now, all you need to do, put it in drive, turn the wheel all the way to the right. Most of the car will be in and will be passing. Turn the wheel all the way to the right. All the way. All the way. All the way till it locks. Now roll in. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Stop. Put in park. This is passing. Is it perfect? No. Most of the cars in, this is passing. You did this. It's passing. I need you to do it again. Put this boy in reverse, man. I want you to see the value you get. Roll this back a little bit. Look out your back window. Just back straight back. Come on. Come on. And stop. Now put this in drive. Turn the wheel all the way to the left. Go ahead. Nice. And do a circle. Go around to the right. I want you to do it again so you know what to do. Keep going. I'm glad you took it slow and you were patient. Keep going. Go a little bit more. A little bit more. Yeah. Yes. There you go. You're fine. Remember, you got to set the car up straight. You're fine. Mm-hmm. Keep going, big dog. You good. Love it. Go down there, do the whole thing all over. Good job. Turn the wheel. Go slow. Good. Make sure your car's straight. Make sure you even. Go get it. You okay? All right, go get it. As close as you can without getting the front end of the top. Put in park. I just want to check. Let me check. I'm on your head. You're not over the line. You're near the line. It's passing. Passing, brother. Let me get strapped in. Man like you. All right. Put this in reverse. Take your time, man. Come on now. Your time. Now cut it. Other way, other way. Slow and slow. Looking good. Slow. Good. Straighten up. Now look out your back window. You want to back in as deep as possible without hitting the yellow stick. Just let it roll in. Keep going. And stop. That was perfect, bro. Come on. Come on. Bam. Okay, you got one more. You got the parallel park. Come on, big dog. I'm on your head. I'm not letting up. You're going to work because you have to be better than the other people. Turn that wheel closer. You are really listening to what I'm trying to teach you, and you see the value. Just a little bit more. Now turn back. Go up more. Go up more. Go up more. And stop. Put us in reverse. Your time. The first thing you need to do is turn that wheel all the way to the right. And adjust it. Push the button. You the driver. Adjust your mirror. Use the mirror, but also look over your shoulder. That's your responsibility. I'm here to help. Okay? But look out the window. You want that deep 45 angle. That's the key. If your setup is wrong and your backing in is wrong, you're going to fail. I think it's good. You need to start rolling back and cut your wheel all the way to the right. Turn it all the way to the right till it locks. Turn. Handle your business. Look over your right shoulder. Got to get the car in as close as possible. Slow. Deeper. Now turn back. All the way to the left. Bro, you got this, man. Come on. Yes. Even better. Yes, come on. Go slow. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. A little bit more. Done. Man, come on. Put this in park, bro. Come on. Come on, black man. Real talk, man. Real talk. They still got P. Diddy locked up.
I don't think they do.
No. The judge denied his bail. So you have success. You know what this feels like. You can master this. Okay, let's put it in drive. Let's get out of here. We're going to get you back. This is so important. Go ahead and put it in drive. See, you got even better the second time because all these hard working parallel parks we've been doing. Yep. So once you're done here, your road tester will get in the car and you're going to drive through. I know the route, but we don't have time today, but I can help you. Go ahead, get us out of here. Get us on the road. So mentally prepare. Okay, I did my parallel park. Same thing I taught you. Don't run lights. Beware of your speed control. Go up to the stop sign. After you stop, make a left. Turn on blinker.
So I'm taking a road test today?
No, not today. Turn on left turn signal. You're going to wait, let them go by, and then make your left turn, and then you're going to make a right turn. So follow, go up, now turn. Yes. Oh, that's turn. Yes. Nice. Straighten up wheels. Go down to the bottom of the driveway so you can see traffic. It's called showing the car. Look, check. If it's clear, make a right. Don't turn it real short because you'll jump the curb. Not yet. Now turn out. Go straight, big dog. Light up that window, man. We got this cold air on. I stay in air conditioning now. Don't play. That was beautiful.
You said a student messed up the car.
Yes, they broke the shifter. Yeah, they kept yanking on it. The car was broken for 24 hours, so I was in a little hatbox car. Very uncomfortable for me as a student. At the light, you'll make a right turn. You should be about 25. Take your time. I'm so happy that we got over there. So you know, do you realize you're a few lessons away getting your license? Come on, man. Okay? Your life about to change for the good, okay? Seriously. Because you need someone, an advocate, your coach, your mom, your dad, an instructor, someone in the church to advocate for you, to fight for you. Take your time. Don't try to squeeze the car in. Nah. If it's room, go up. Don't hit the curb. Go up. If you hit the curb, it's automatic failure. Good. This is good, brother. This. Go up more. And then you have to stop first. Check traffic to your left. You can wait for your green. I would, so I don't want you to hit the gas and lose control. You're doing well. Make your turn. First lane. Turn slow. First lane to the right. Turn. Do you turn? I want to see good turns, man. I put a lot of time into you. Not yet. Now turn out. Good. Let's go. Pick us up. Drive. You have the right of way. It's right there. Tax good. Insurance good. No COVID violations. Nice. At the light, you'll make a right. Go into your turn slow. Squeeze that brake. Stay away from the curb. Squeeze. Turn. Squeeze. Yes. Perfect. Nice. Check your traffic to your left. If it's clear, you can turn. Is it clear? First lane. First lane. Go straight. Lane.